In this video, I will show you how to use Chatgpt to generate high-performing TikTok scripts and content plans for your social media. I begin by typing a detailed prompt asking Chatgpt to act as my specialized scriptwriting assistant, focusing on high-retention hooks and clear calls to action. Chatgpt acknowledges the request by establishing a strategic framework that prioritizes fast pacing and a natural human tone. It then asks me for more context regarding my niche and audience to ensure the scripts are perfectly tailored. Now, I enter a specific request for a script aimed at helping small business owners with their social media growth. The AI generates a structured response with a direct hook and 3 actionable points to fix common growth issues. It concludes with a strong call to action designed to boost engagement and turn viewers into followers. Next, I ask for a story-driven script about a bakery's journey from 800 to 24,000 followers. Chatgpt creates a fast-paced narrative highlighting 3 successful strategies, including behind-the-scenes footage and a heavy focus on short-form video. It emphasizes that real growth comes from a mix of consistency and a human touch rather than just posting randomly. Finally, I request a comprehensive 5-video content plan to help a digital marketing professional scale their brand. The result is a diverse roadmap featuring educational tips, myth-busting, and transformation videos designed to maximize follower retention. This plan ensures that every video has a clear purpose and a strong hook to keep the audience coming back for more. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.